Okay, so today what we're going to discuss is the content feature plugin. It's this guy right here. Basically what it does is it takes your images that you have on your post, and if you selected that image to be a part of this featured content, then it'll come here. This is what's written in the post, I guess. So this particular website, I just put it together real quick. You'll notice that eHomes is real large picture right there. That has to do with the size that was downloaded to the media library. So on this one I had to downsize it. This one was 680 by I think 480. The actual size of the plugin is 600 by 400. So it still looks a little large. The eHomes image I think was like 2000 by 1000, so you can tell it's really zoomed in. So if you have that same issue, like you have your picture or something and it just shows your nose, that's where it's coming from, is the size that it was downloaded from. So to be able to do this, first off you have to have the plugin installed. So watch the plugin video if you don't already have the featured content with or plugin installed. But once you do have it installed and you have it activated, you'll go under settings and then featured content gallery. You'll want to have it labeled as far as what category you want your images to fall under, or your post to be under, for it to pull it from. So any other category it's not going to pull. It's only going to come from the uncategorized posts. It's only going to, on here I put it to display only 20 items. I got it 600 by 400 as far as the width and the height of that, the images that's going to be bringing up. Make sure you include this overlay height. I've got 90 here. I got a simple fade, and also clicked these two advanced boxes. So once you're done, you just update the options. It only works if you have at least 2 posts. You can, on mine I have it set for over 20, but the bare minimum is 2. Okay, so to be able to make this work, let's just make one for now. I already got 2 set up, as you saw earlier, the downtown. So what you want to do is come here, go to your images under your media library, and you're going to want this URL code right here. Just copy and paste it, and then go under posts. I want to start a new one. I'm going to call this one Cole Park. Now under this right here is what your blog is going to have under it. I'm not going to put anything under there for now because it really has nothing to do with what I'm showing you. But on your post, on your website, you'll want to write something there about that particular post. Make sure you click this one, otherwise it won't pull it up. And then come down to custom fields. You're going to need these 3 items. It's got to be written exactly like that. I tried it earlier and I wrote out image, it didn't work, so make sure that it's exactly how I have it written here. I got article and then IMG for image, and then you put the URL for the article, or for the image, URL for the image there. And then the next one is your featured text. That's what pops up. So I'm going to put Cole Park. It's great for the kids. And I'll play around. Beaches, fishing. You can put whatever you want in there. You can put a whole sentences. I'm just putting in keywords because it's faster for this video. And then the last thing is your thumbnail, which I think I have it spelled wrong, but just paste it there, add field, and then hit publish. And when you do this, make sure you have that uncategorized if that's what you decide to use under your settings. Otherwise it won't work. Once again, like I said, you have to have 2 of them for this to work. So there's that image I just did, and there's what I wrote on that featured text area. So this area doesn't actually pull from the post, it pulls from that featured text, that custom field at the bottom. So these are the images that I have uploaded for this site, and that's pretty much it.